Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX, and I'm here to show you how to trade effectively, catch spikes, scalp, and even trade other pairs effectively without losing much. Of course, when you are trading, there are losses. Losses will come, but how do you stay profitable? That's what I want to show you guys right now. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, like this video, share it to your friends, and if you want to join the free Telegram channel, check the description of this video. You'll find the link to our free Telegram channel. It's free to join, and if you want to join the VIP, hit me up on my WhatsApp number, which the link is also on the description of this video, and you can reach me and we talk about you join the VIP, or you want to learn how to trade on your own. Of course, it's always interesting if you can learn on your own, because you'll be able to do whatever you want to do without having to wait for someone to give you a signal. Okay, so I want to show you guys how we made profit on Crash 300. Now, I always say this: if you want to trade, yeah, if you want to trade, make sure you don't, in fact, as a trader, you are not supposed to look at too many pairs. So now let me just show you this. Okay, now let's take a look at this. Today is 30th. Today is 30th. This is a Crash 300. This is 28th April. We keep going. This is 27th April. Okay, this is 25th April. So why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this because you've seen that I have been consistent with the Crash 300. Why? Because I believe so much that whatever I've spent time to look at, I'll understand it better. Now, I've been on Crash 300 for a very long time. It's not just these few days. It's one of my favorite pairs. Crash 300, VIX 75. Those are my favorite pairs. So I do a very deep analysis on them, okay, so that I can understand the market better. So what am I trying to say? If you want to be profitable, of course you can still look at other pairs, but it's very important that you take your time to understand few, maybe 2 to 3, okay, because you won't be able to catch all the setup. Let's say you are looking at Crash 1000, Crash 500, Crash 300, boom, and all of that, bro. You will not be able to look at it till the end. So it's very important that you just choose two and analyze so that you can catch the setup. Okay, so this is the VIP group, and we've been making profit, bro. We've been making so much profit. Okay, and as you can see, we have barely lost. Okay, we lost this. Okay, we did not lose that. Okay, we lost that trade. Yeah, we lost this trade, but we were so comfortable to make our money back. Okay, this morning, the next day, we were able to make our profits back, and guess what? We made so much. Imagine this: we made so much from the Crash 300 and VIX 75. So by the time you've made out time to understand few pairs, you can make money. You don't have to be looking at this one, looking at that one. You just have to understand it yourself. So we're making profit on Crash 300. It has paid us so well. But today, we were running at a loss. We hit SL, but I was very that's after giving us some some profit. This is what happened. Of course, this trend line, let's go to it. This is it. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, daily. Let's start with the daily. Now, this trend line is showing us a downtrend. Yeah, let's go to the H4. Now, I saw this go up here, so I was actually I was actually very sure that this was going to sell. But the problem is that the SL, wow, it's still spiking. But the problem now is that the SL was too close. Okay, so it took us out. This is how it started. This is where we enter from. Okay, this is where we enter from. And it went back to retest that position before giving us profit again. Let me show you this. See it here? It went back to retest that trend line and started dropping again. So it's just that my SL was too close. Okay, the SL I was given was too close, but I was very sure that this market was going to sell. So I told them, always trust your analysis. That's why I always keep saying, trust your analysis. So this was the analysis I did. I saw this, it is a downtrend and it's going to go down. And this play, if you look very well, okay, let's go to that's the H4 here. If you look very well, this place can serve as, hold on guys, all right. So as I was saying, this place here looks like a resistance. Okay, this area here can actually pass for a resistance, because if you go into the lower time frame again, and let's say you're using a computer, or maybe if I turn my phone to a landscape mode, you see that if I should draw an horizontal line, it's going to show that that is you see touches, okay, confirming that we have a resistance at that level. So you go to the higher time frame, find this strong resistance and support, and you go to the lower time frame to get your entry. So I was saying, you have to be focused on few pairs. Okay, few pairs. Be focused on few pairs. So if you want to join us, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my Telegram channel. It's free to join. You want to join the VIP, you hit me up on my WhatsApp. Okay, the link to my WhatsApp is also on the description of this video. All right, so if you like what you see on this video and you want to learn how to trade on your own, of course you can still hit me up. I'm open to show you how to make money. So now we've seen that this our trend line has held, and now I had to close out. Okay, I had to tell them that I'm closing out because I did not what I saw on the 15 minutes was, at this point I don't want to surpass this level because it might actually pull up. It's the market, but also I was also expecting it to get to this point because we have a very strong support, which I got. Was it on the daily? Yes, I think I got that support on the daily time frame, or maybe on the 4-hour time frame. I've been on this trade for a very long time, days ago, so I'm sure I drew that live from some time ago. So I actually expected it to go down there, but to be on the safe side, not to be greedy, you always have to cut your losses. What do I mean by cut your losses? Make sure that when you make profit, you close out. Don't be greedy. Of course, there are some times that I get into a trade and I don't get into a trade. I'll just see a setup, but I'm not confident enough to go into it, and the trade will go the way I wanted it to go, and I can't help it. Sometimes things like that happen. So guys, to trade with price action is just the best for me. Okay, it's just the best for me. So you have seen that market has gone down to respect this place. It has gone down to respect this place, and now you've seen that there's a rejection from here. So now it's just for you to wait and see if you see a reversal candlestick, a candlestick that is going to push market back up, maybe to this trend line. Okay, because this trend line is a very strong one, which has held. Imagine this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're able to see the one that happened today here. So guys, to trade with price action is like comparing what has happened before and now predicting what will happen in the future. So by the time market gets there, there's a very big possibility that it will still get down here before going back up. But what we can see here is that it is a downtrend. Don't take that for granted. That is a downtrend. Don't take it for granted. So guys, make sure you put this thing into use. Use the 24-hour time frame. Use the H4 to find your strong support and resistance, and also your trend. And also, it's very important, don't trade against the trend. This is not going to be a good time to scalp, because once the spike comes, it won't go back again. it might not go back to your entry for you to close out. It will just run you down. Okay, so don't be greedy. Make sure you always try to accumulate your profits. And once you've done your analysis, don't be skeptical about it. And also, always make up your mind on what you want to lose. If you are getting into a trade and you can just decide, okay, fine, I've made up my mind to lose $100. You have to be able to make up your mind on things like this. Like now, on this trade, what I was waiting for when it hit RSL, I was ready to lose 150 or maybe 200 at most before I was able to get it back, because I was like, okay, fine, if this trade doesn't go the way I expect it to, where I'm cutting my loss is at 150. I don't want to over trade. I don't want to over leverage my account. So I made up my mind already to lose it so that it will not be a problem. That's why some people trade with emotions. Don't trade with emotions, because by the time you trade with emotions, let's say you lose a trade, you just jump back into it and you just lose another money. You just keep losing because you want to make that money back. No, you have to sit back, relax. Sometimes you can even take days off the chart to get your brain calm, or to be able to, I don't even know how to put it, like to get your confidence back. Just look at the market, but don't take a trade. So by the time you're back, you just continue from where you stopped. So if you love this and you want to join the VIP, as I said earlier, just hit me up. I'm available for you. Yes, I'm available for you. This is our VIP. We make money. So in the past, how many days? 5 to 6 days, we've only lost 2 trades, of which we recovered today again. So this is where I was telling them that since we have a minor support, this was a 15 minutes time frame, and I'm going to be closing out. So I had to close out, tell them to close out, because I didn't want to take that risk. Okay, so guys, make sure to join the Blue Boy team if you want to make money. It's easy to make money. Money is easy to make. You just have to key into the right path. So I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. See you guys on the next video. Bye guys.